Hello boys and girls, welcome back to Joy Stream. So today in this video, we are going to learn about nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition basically comes from food. The food which we take inside our body. So our mother or a father says take nutritious food so that it could help to build your body. It gives energy. So how this nutrition comes from food? So look at the definition here. Nutrition is a biochemical and physiological process by which an organism uses food to support its life. So does food directly gives you energy? No. But there is a certain process where the taken food is converted into simpler forms which can be utilized by the body so that you get nutrition. So directly if you take rice, it doesn't help you directly, but it is converted into glucose. Rice is a starch form. It is converted into glucose. Then the glucose is utilized by your body. And look at the second definition. This is the same meaning. The intake or obtaining food by an organism and using it to the body is called nutrition. So what are two forms of nutrition? So there are two kinds of nutrition, two modes of nutrition: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. So autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. What is the difference between autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition? So autotrophs can make their own food. Heterotrophs, they cannot make their own food. They depend on the other organisms. So what are autotrophs? Plants. Plants are the autotrophic organisms. They can make their own food. By which process they can make their own food? Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the main process which can a plant make their own food. So what are heterotrophic organisms? The organisms which depend on the other organisms like plants and animals are called heterotrophic organisms. This includes animals, fungi and some of the bacteria. So okay, we got what are autotrophic organisms and what are heterotrophic organisms. So again this heterotrophic organism, it is divided into three forms of nutrition. This heterotrophic nutrition is divided into three forms of nutrition. First one, holozoic nutrition. What is holozoic nutrition? These organisms take solid food. The taken solid food is converted to simpler forms. So the solid food is then converted into simpler forms and utilized by the body. This is called holozoic nutrition. The nutrition which occurs by the solid food is called holozoic nutrition. They depend on the other organisms. Next, saprophytic organisms or saprophytic nutrition. These organisms, they depend on feed on dead and decay of other organisms. These organisms could be plants or animals. So, if some animal dies on the road, so after some days we cannot find the animal in there. Why? Because it decomposes. It decomposes by the microorganisms. These microorganisms like bacteria and fungi, they feed on the dead animal. Feed on the dead animal. This kind of process is called saprophytic nutrition. Next, parasitic nutrition. So, parasitic nutrition, they do not kill the organisms, but they feed on the living organism and they get nutrition from that living organisms. So, for example, mosquito. Mosquito feeds on the blood of human being. But does this mosquito kill the man? No. But it feeds on the blood of the human being. It sucks the blood from the man and it gets nutrients, so that it is called as parasitic nutrition. As the mosquito is a parasite, the mosquito is getting nutrition from the another organism like human being. It is called parasitic nutrition. Another example for parasitic nutrition is lice. Now lice present on the head, hair, even they also do the same thing. They suck blood from the human being, but it doesn't harm the human being, but it gets nutrients from the human being, so that it is called parasitic nutrition. So let us look into the topic once again. So what is nutrition? Nutrition is a biochemical and physiological process by which an organism uses food to support its life. It is called nutrition, or the intake and obtaining food by an organism and using it to the body is called nutrition. What do? We take food inside our body and it is utilized by our body. This is called nutrition. So in between taking food and getting nutrition, there is a process called digestion, right? By digestion we get nutrition. We take food, it gets digested, and then the nutrition occurs. So this is called nutrition. So in nutrition there are two forms of nutrition. What are the two forms of nutrition? Autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. So what are the autotrophic nutrition? Plants. Plants are the autotrophs. They can make their own food. What is the process which undergoes what is the process which gives food for plants? Photosynthesis. Then coming to the heterotrophs. Heterotrophs are the organisms which depend on the other organisms for their food or nutrition. The nutrition which they can get from other organisms is called heterotrophic nutrition. So they are again, heterotrophic nutrition is divided into three forms. What are they? Holozoic nutrition, saprophytic nutrition and parasitic nutrition. Holozoic means we take solid food and it gets digested and then it is absorbed by the body. This is called holozoic nutrition. What is the example of holozoic nutrition? Human beings and animals. Next, saprophytic nutrition. They depend on the dead or decay. So these organisms, they feed on the dead plants and dead animals. This form of nutrition is called saprophytic nutrition. Then coming, what is the? I'm sorry for not giving you example. What is the example for saprophytic? Mushroom. Mushroom is a fungi. It is a fungi form. So it depends on the dead plants, and it gets nutritions and then it grows. So that this is called saprophytic nutrition. Next, coming to parasitic nutrition. They depend on the other organisms. They feed on the other living being, but it doesn't kill. So this is called parasitic nutrition. For example, mosquito feeds on the human blood, but it doesn't kill the human being. That is called parasitic nutrition. And lice is also another example for parasitic nutrition. So this is about nutrition and types of nutritions. That's all for this video, guys. We will catch up in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.